Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Decor with iqra. If you are new to my channel or you like my video, then please don't forget subscribe to my channel and don't miss another amazing video like this one. In today's video, I will show you the most beautiful and latest collections of pink and black balloon birthday decorating ideas in different styles, colors combinations and sizes. So please guys watch this video till the end so you don't miss another amazing designs. All the designs are very unique and trendy, and I am sure you will get beautiful and amazing decorating ideas from this video. If you like any design, then please take screenshot of. And if you want to see more cake design video, you can please visit my channel and also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are all very easy to make and absolutely delicious. I hope friends you like today beautiful collections of birthday decorating ideas, and I am sure you will get amazing and new decorating ideas from this video. If you like any design or if you new to my channel, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss another amazing video like this one. So please guys watch this video till the end so you don't miss another amazing designs. If you like any design, then please take screenshot of. And if you want to see more cake design video, you can please visit my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Please enjoy and watching this video till the end. And I will see you tomorrow inshallah with the new video. Please take care of yourself and the people around you.